Oh my god, I love playing this game. I love that cat suit power-up. I want to start playing! Okay, so let's go to the first level. Super Bell Hill. I just love this cat suit power-up. There it is, the Super Bell. Yes, I love this power. You can do the cat dive. You can do the cat dive attack. And you can do a scratch attack and another scratch attack. And it even has a little storage to store more power-ups in case I lose this one. Like so. Oops, I lost my cat suit. Don't worry. It's back. The cat suit. I love this game. There's another cat suit on top of that tree. I love the cat suit. Plus it lets you run faster. And you can even still do the roll jump. I love doing that. And the best feature of the cat suit is to climb up walls. Like so. Oops, I accidentally fell down. Don't worry. I can climb up the flagpole. I love the cat suit. Oh man, I wish the cat suit existed in real life. Wait, what is that? What is that? Oh my god. Am I dreaming? Is this a Super Bell? Oh my god. Well, only one way to find out if that's a cat suit. I feel funny. 4 feet. 4 feet. I got 4 feet. Meow. Oh my god. It actually worked. I'm a cat! I better go show this to Patrick.
Oh, what do you want?
Oh, hey Patrick, I just want to show you that I just ate a Super Bell and became a cat!
Oh, so now it's Super Mario 3D World real life?
Well, yeah, I guess if I just ate a Super Bell.
Well, can I have a Super Bell too?
No, there was only one laying around where our Wii U is.
Oh, okay.
So, Patrick, do you think we should break the news to Squidward?
Yeah!
Meanwhile, at Squidward's house. SpongeBob. What? What the heck? What the heck? SpongeBob. What? All I did was dive attack you. That's from a video game, you weirdo. No, I mean I ate a Super Bell and became... Wait. Let me guess. You ate a Super Bell and became a cat. Yeah. Just like in Super Mario 3D World. SpongeBob? Yes? Why don't you go dive attack into Goo Lagoon and drown? No, I have better things to do than that. Yeah, like I care about jellyfishing, karate with Sandy. No, I mean, show my cat suit to the world. Good luck with that. Okay, bye Squidward. Bye SpongeBob Cat Pants. Dive attack. Away! So Patrick, who do you think I should show my cat suit to?
I kinda think you should show it to that guy who sold us the Wii U.
Oh, you mean that guy in the Mario costume that I forgot what his name was?
Yeah, him.
Come on, I got this. Yes! First place on another Mario Kart 8 race. Whoa! You just got my head off, you idiot! Sorry, but I can't help it, because I just ate a Super Bell, and I love doing that dive attack. Whatever, can you please just put my head back on my body, please? Oh, sure. Okay, thank you for putting my head back on my body. But back to the point. Okay, so you ate a Super Bell? Yeah, and I'm a cat, so what? You should not have done that! Why? I have 9 lives. Soon, that Super Bell will make you ill. It will make you so sick. It will make you barf all over the place. Hairballs. Dark times are ahead, SpongeBob. Dark times. What do you mean? Nothing's happened to me yet. You will get so sick, you'll barf all over the place with hairballs. Well, that doesn't sound too bad. Then you will explode! Okay, so where's a cure? There is no cure. You just need to bump into something that really hurts you, and then you'll power down back into a sponge. Oh, okay, that makes sense, just like the game. Ooh, shoot, I think I have to puke. It's already starting. Is there a barf bag anywhere around here? Oh, there's one. It's a pretzel crisp bag. Now it's time to try to test out that climbing ability. It actually works. The climbing ability works. Oh, shoot. Here it goes. Ew, that's a lot of puke. Patrick, wake up!
Oh, come on, SpongeBob. I was just in the middle of a peaceful sleep.
Forget that! I'm about to explode. The guy said that I would barf all over the place, and after like 5 or 10 barfs, I will explode. And I already barfed once. And the only way to turn back into a sponge is to bump into something very, very sharp.
Oh, here's an idea. You could skydive without a parachute.
Okay, I'll try that. Seriously, Patrick? You made me do a ride at the fair instead of going on a skydiving thing?
Listen, this is actually better than skydiving. Because when you get to the top, which is all the way up there, jump!
Okay, turn it on.
Okay, SpongeBob, jump!
Okay, but first I have to... Okay, now I'll jump. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
SpongeBob, you need mouth to mouth.
Patrick, I'm fine.
Okay.
Well, it's been a long day. That Super Bell was delicious, though.
Yeah, you're telling me. Wait, I hear something rustling in the bushes. What is that? Oh, a tanuki leaf!
great.